In 5th place is Summer Variation, and this is a larger version of another set called Winter Variation, and I'm going to be honest, I don't really understand the point of it. Basically, it is when you insert the last F2L pair while also solving OLL, which sounds good, however it is a lot more easier just to do OLL afterwards. I see the reason to learn the easy Summer Variation cases, and that can be quite helpful, but not to learn all of them, as it could be hard to recognise during solves. Coming in 4th place is OLL-CP. This stands for Orienting the Last Layer with Corner Permutation. This is a subset to COLL, which is a lot smaller. OLL-CP covers all 57 OLLs and a lot more. This suggests there is a lot of algorithms in the set, just have all the corners there. I guess once you do the algorithm you could get either a Z-perm, U-perm or an H-perm, and they are good, but why put through all the hassle? 3rd place is ZBLL. Now this algorithm set has a smashing 472 algorithms in it, and not including full PLL. These algs are mostly used for CFOP solvers, and the professionals learn a huge amount of them. Basically, when you get to the yellow cross after F2L, you can do a ZBLL algorithm to solve the whole entire cube instead of doing OLL and PLL. Personally, I don't see the point of learning all of the algorithms, but I do see the point of learning the easy ones. I do have a video on that, so check it out. The second worst set is BLE, which stands for Brooks Last Edge, and this algorithm set is just strange. This is where for F2L, when you get to the last pair and your corner is inserted in it, then you can solve the edge while also solving OLL. Not many people use this form of algorithms, but it's just pointless. Maybe you would learn a few, but not the entire set. Most cubing websites doesn't even have BLE as a section, and nobody really knows the algorithms. Now, in top place, the worst algorithm set in my opinion is ELL. You probably don't know what it is, and neither did I until I saw it on algdb.net. This is where you come across this case, or this case, and basically you use an alg to solve it completely. This is pointless. Like, most of the algorithms look almost the same, involving tons of M moves in it. This set normally is for fewest move count or blindfolded. Some in Rue, but anyway. ELL stands for Edges of the Last Layer, and there is no point for these cases. But anyway, that is my opinion, and for now, see ya.